right, check this out, guys. So I'm gonna set these lights up into my studio, and I just want you to see some of it where I'm gonna set it up way on the top, going all across the whole thing. All right, I'm gonna move that light, of course. So these are gonna go all across. So we're gonna light it up, and of course it comes with a remote control. And not only that, you can remote these to your wireless too. So we're gonna set these up and see how well they look. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. So we're gonna take a look at the actual lights from here. This is a live view right now that we're doing through the actual system. So you guys could take a look at the actual transformation we're gonna do. We could turn them off here. You guys can see, turn them on. And then what I like about it, I'm gonna go into more details on this system, all right? Now, there's different choices you can do, all right? So we're gonna choose one right now. We're gonna choose a Firefly. Look at that, it just starts changing the lights completely. I like this part of it. It changes everything. We're gonna put a little rainbow here, and you can see like changing colors and so forth. And then we can go for more details here. We could just do one strip color. We could tone it down too if you want. It's different. If you just want it white, completely white, you can do that. Have like completely light up the whole room itself, and it's pretty powerful. Color coordination, you could change the colors. Just choose your color you want. You know, it has all these schemes. You could even design your own if you want. You know, you could erase, you could do different things you want on here. And of course, they have more. And then audio. This is what I like about audio. So when you play rock, it's gonna start like rocking with the music with it. We're not gonna turn off the lights completely, or where you lose focus because it's a dark light right now. But you could do pretty much lifestyle, change it to life, and it has different tones. All this tones it. I like this one. Now there's a rainbow one here. You know, it's gonna start changing the colors on itself and so forth. I like all these options you have. Like I said, you can always go back to scheme lights, change them, modifying combinations. You do combinations. We're going to do combinations, and it's pretty much changing the tone on it. You can choose 2 or 3 or 4 combinations if you want. Colors, just regular colors. You could just start moving your finger around the actual phone. This is a live view of the phone, so you guys can see that what I'm doing. And it's pretty much, it works very good. I mean, it does a lot of great smart things on it. I like going back and forth on different things. And very simple. The whole scheme of it, the whole setup. Including turning it off and turning it on. It's included with the app. You could download the app, easy to control from anywhere. I like also setup, and I'm going to show you guys from a little distance how it looks. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.